Bangladesh, a land of verdant landscapes and rich cultural heritage, is a country in South Asia, bordered by India to the west, north, and east, Myanmar to the southeast, and the Bay of Bengal to the south. The history of this region is a tapestry woven with the threads of ancient civilizations, colonial conquests, and a resilient struggle for independence. The land that is now Bangladesh has been the cradle of several ancient civilizations. The Bengal Delta, formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers, has been a fertile ground for human habitation for millennia. The Maurya and Gupta Empire, which spanned much of the Indian subcontinent, left indelible marks on the cultural and political landscape of Bengal. In the medieval period, Bengal emerged as a significant center of trade and power under the rule of the Pala and Sena dynasties. The advent of Islam in the region in the 13th century brought about profound changes. The establishment of the Bengal Sultanate heralded a new era, marked by the synthesis of local and Islamic cultures. This period witnessed the flourishing of Bengali literature, art, and architecture, epitomized by the grandeur of the Adina Mosque and the poetic works of Chandidas and Alone. The Mughal Empire's expansion into Bengal in the 16th century further enriched the region's cultural mosaic. Dhaka, under Mughal rule, became a bustling center of commerce and craftsmanship, renowned for its muslin and silk. However, the 18th century brought tumult as the British East India Company gradually asserted control over Bengal, culminating in the Battle of Plassey in 1757. This marked the beginning of nearly 2 centuries of British colonial rule. The colonial period was characterized by significant economic and social transformations, alongside growing discontent and resistance. The Bengal Renaissance in the 19th century saw a remarkable intellectual and cultural awakening, with figures like Rabindranath Tagore and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar spearheading efforts in literature, education, and social reform. Despite these advances, the partition of Bengal in 1905 and again in 1947, as part of the partition of India, left deep scars on the collective psyche of its people. The journey to independence for Bangladesh was arduous. The language movement of 1952, which demanded the recognition of Bengali as one of the state languages of Pakistan, sowed the seeds of national consciousness. The escalating political and economic disparities between East and West Pakistan led to widespread unrest, culminating in the Declaration of Independence on March 26, 1971. The ensuing Liberation War, marked by immense sacrifices, resulted in the birth of Bangladesh on December 16, 1971. Post-independence, Bangladesh faced formidable challenges, including political instability, natural disasters, and economic hardships. However, the resilience and industrious spirit of its people have driven significant progress in recent decades. Bangladesh has emerged as a global leader in textile manufacturing, microfinance, and disaster management. The nation's commitment to education, healthcare, and women's empowerment has spurred notable improvements in human development indices. Culturally, Bangladesh remains a vibrant mosaic, celebrating its heritage through festivals, music, dance, and cuisine. The lyrical poetry of Lalan Fakir, the soulful tunes of Baul singers, and the colorful celebrations of Pohela Boishakh reflect the enduring spirit of its people. The Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, and the ancient ruins of Mahasthangarh and Parpur bear testimony to the country's rich natural and historical legacy. In the contemporary world, Bangladesh stands at the crossroads of tradition and modernity. Striving towards sustainable development and greater global integration, the narrative of Bangladesh is one of resilience, hope, and an unyielding quest for a brighter future.